Screencastify Part 2. We're going to look at what does it look like after you've pressed the stop button and start recording. So when you are finished recording, it's going to automatically load into this format right here. You can play back your video by clicking play. You can click to unmute so that you can hear your video. And then from here, you can actually give it a title. Just click right there and give it whatever title applies to that presentation. You can also open an editor. This is a feature that we have for a limited time where you'll be able to trim your videos if you need to. This is where you can copy the shareable link. If you want to use that inside a presentation, you want to make sure that's a shareable link so that whoever clicks on your presentation can actually view it. Then you also have these sharing options. You can publish to YouTube. And of course, anything we publish to YouTube, you're going to make sure that it's unlisted. So let's click on that and see what it looks like. You automatically have a YouTube channel connected to your Gmail account. So you could just click unlisted. So that means anyone with the link can view that video. It's not public to the web. You can give a description, and then you just click upload, and then it'll take you to your YouTube account. Once it's uploaded, you can view it in YouTube. Also, you can share directly to Google Classroom. When you share to Google Classroom, it'll give you the options of how to share that as which class, what announcement, do you want it to be an announcement, what type of action you want it to be. Then also you can get the embedded code. This is something if you want to embed inside maybe Google Sites. We're going to talk about how to use Google Sites. So you can copy the embedded code to embed the video that way. Then also you have some download options. You can export it as MP4, which is still just a video file. You can export just the audio only, and you can export it as an animated GIF, and we'll talk about that if we ever get the opportunity to use that option. But right now, I'm just going to use the shareable link so that you can embed it inside of your presentation. So let's say we're going to use the video that you recorded. You want to insert it in your presentation. You click insert, and you can go to your Screencastify straight from Google Slides. So that practice video right there, I can click right here and click select and insert it. So I don't even have to use the link. But the main thing is you want to make sure that it is shareable. So you want that link to be shareable so that when anyone else clicks on it, they'll be able to view it. And I have a couple of videos in here but that is how you would insert that video. You can insert it straight from Google Drive that you've recorded in Screencastify. You can just insert it in your Google Slide presentation. And that's how we'll be using Screencastify to present in class, since a lot of you all are virtual, just to give you an opportunity to still present your own information. Instead of just showing the slide, you will be able to explain it while you're sharing your slide.